GitHub Desktop helps both new and advanced developers simplify their workflow and focus on building code rather than typing out Git comments. With GitHub on your desktop, it's easy to check out branches with pull request. Click on current branch. You can see current branches that you are working with on, and you can also get a pull request, page origin, and current repository. If you want to download GitHub Desktop on your Windows operating system, that are very easy and simple. Follow the instruction. Open up your favorite browser. Search GitHub Desktop. Hit enter. GitHub Desktop. Desktop.github.com. Click on it. Download for Windows 64-bit. Click on it. At the top of the right corner, down arrow icon, click on it. It will display browser download process. Our GitHub Desktop setup file downloaded. Click on this file manager icon. It will redirect your file explorer. This is our GitHub Desktop setup file that we are downloaded now. Right click on your mouse, hit run as administrator, click on it. After getting this user account control prompt, click on yes. GitHub Desktop wizard is being installed. It will take a few minutes. Now we can close our browser and also file explorer. Welcome to GitHub Desktop. Sign into github.com. Click on it. Choose your favorite browser, in my case Google Chrome. Click on it. OK. Simply create an account. If you are new, click on it. It will take username. Plus your email address. You can create a password. Make sure that it will take up to 50 characters or less than 8 characters, including number, lowercase, and also uppercase. A little scroll. Click on verify. You need to solve this puzzle. Our verification complete. Create account, click on it. You can save also. You need to open your mail. Next. You can copy your GitHub verification code and paste it under GitHub. After getting this pop-up, click on Authorize Desktop. Click on it. After getting this GitHub Desktop pop-up, open GitHub Desktop, click on it. Configure our Git. You can hit finish button. Finally, we are successfully configure our GitHub Desktop with our GitHub web. You can see. Now we are being redirected to the authorized application. This means github.com. Now you can only click on github.com. As you can see here, our GitHub account successfully created. Now you can create a repository from GitHub web, or also you can do it similar thing that provide GitHub Desktop, create new repository. This similar thing that you are also doing from Git bash. Right click your mouse. You can open Git GUI graphical user interface here. Click on it. You can also create a new repository that are similar thing. You can clone existing repository from here. When you are create repository, that you can clone existing repository, and a similar thing that you can open existing repository that coming from here. As a programmer, you will often find yourself working with many different types of files as well as collaborating with others on projects. A version control system helps manage your files and track the history of changes in your projects. In simple terms, you can think of it as a Google Doc for coders. So we are going to talk about what is Git. Git is a widely used version control system used to manage code. Nearly 70% of developers use Git according to a Stack Overflow survey. Git allows you to save drafts of your code so that you can look back at previous version and potentially undo complicated errors. A project managed with Git is called a repository. This is our Git graphical user interface. This comes from installing Git. So the next thing is that what is GitHub? Git and GitHub are the same thing, right? Not exactly. GitHub is a popular hosting service for Git repositories. GitHub allows you to store your local Git repositories in the cloud. With GitHub, you can back up your personal file, share your code, and collaborate with others. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be talking about more about Git, GitHub, and GitHub Desktop. You can check out our playlist. Thank you, or follow our channel.